I stretch in the morning. I stretch in the morning. I fold my clothes. I fold my clothes. I hang my clothes. I hang my clothes. I pick up my phone. I pick up my phone. I open the window. I open the window. I open the window. I open the window. Hello there. I close the window. I close the window. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I wake up early. I wake up early. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I dust the table. I dust the table. I move a chair. I move a chair. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. I take off my glasses. I take off my glasses. I put on my glasses. I put on my glasses. I make my bed. I make my bed. I yawn a lot. I yawn a lot. I turn off the light. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I take off my jacket. I take off my jacket. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I take a deep breath. Study English with fun.